is Chiara Tuppi again, Movimento Turismo del Vino, and I'm here with another wine producer. We are in the Di Leonardo vineyard now, and they have a lot of special wines, obviously, and what they have particular are the names of the wines. So I'm very curious about that, and I would to ask him especially about this. Why do you have all these particular names in English and so on? So please present yourself directly and tell us about this.
Yeah, I'm Massimo Di Leonardo from Di Leonardo Vineyards. Well, the meaning of the names is because when we started, we had immediately a good reaction out of Italy, and we were quite a modern company. So the packaging, the English name, the funny names we use on our wines means also immediately to the customers that is something new, something not in the tradition of Friuli, but something a little bit more modern, more innovative.
And so you are very well known abroad and in the United States. And how is the market now? What can you tell us about that?
But we are very lucky because in our price range, in the medium price range, the market is going very well. And our Pinot Grigio is quite known in the United States because we have quite a wide distribution over there, and it's our main market. And we feel that in the price of $10, $11, $12 for the customers, it's still a very good margin. It's still a very good range, and it's working very well.
Okay, I'm happy about that. And I was in your winery for Cantina Aperta last year, and I hope I will be there again. It was very fascinating because they have a very nice winery in the center of the village, yes. And so I hope to see you again on the 30 and 31 May this year for Cantina Aperta. Do you do something special this year?
Yeah, we will be open like always because these days in May it has been a very important day for us during the year. Is a very fixed appointment. We will be open like always, and we will be full of person like always. It's a party. It's not a working day, but it's really a party for us.
Yes, they meet all the people, and they have a very warm hospitality.
Thanks.
Okay, so thank you very much.
Welcome.
And see you on Cantina Aperta then.
Of course. Thanks.